Hi guys, I am Mel from Mel and Milo and now also Olivia. This channel is meant to inform and entertain and maybe put a smile on your face. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and like and share on your social media so I can spread the words about parrots. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. Thank you. Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make the wood pieces for your bird toys nice and bright with food coloring. Sometimes in the beginning I tried to just put them in hot water with the color just like you would for Easter eggs, but they came out really pale. So I figured out a way to make them nice and bright and really attractive for your birds. So here we go. So you need a few basic things. You need a bowl with a little bit of water in it. You need your wood pieces. I have already pre-drilled them, so it's easier later. You also need the food coloring. I have an assortment right there. Alright, here we are. Milo's gonna help. Milo's gonna help. Okay. We need a little bowl with water. And then we need a brush. We need a brush. Okay, then we take a color that we like. Let's go with red. And we put quite a lot in here, okay? Quite a lot. And then I put a glove on. I put a glove on because I don't want my hands to be all dirty from the coloring, food coloring. And then we take the brush. And look at that. Color your pieces of wood the color you want. Okay, let it dry. This is pine. I bought at Home Depot for probably $3, and it is untreated. Obviously has to be untreated. Make sure that you ask, and the untreated ones are the ones that don't have that greenish shimmer to them. Okay, so I'm gonna do a bunch that are red until my red is empty, because I don't want to waste anything. Okay, Olivia's chatting away in the corner. We'll put another one, let's say, in let's say blue. I'll make another one in blue. I would say about half the bottle. Nice and thick. Okay? So I'm gonna wash up my brush. Okay, and same thing, see? Nice and bright. Nice and bright. Then you let it dry completely. If you use the gel, they can have some stickiness to it. That means it wasn't diluted enough. So make sure that if you use the gel, you put water and then you dilute it to where it's a liquid. Okay, like this. Because otherwise it gets real sticky and it doesn't dry. It seems like it stays forever all sticky. So that's why I prefer the liquid food coloring. And then when you're done, when it's dry, all you have to do is put it on a chain and make it look nice for your birds. Nice and attractive for them to want to play with it. Milo goes through probably 10 of these wooden pieces in 2 to 3 days. He is a chewer, which is okay, and because it's really not expensive and really easy to make. If you were to buy this at the store though, I mean, you can easily pay 20 bucks for this. So why would you, if you can just do this by yourself? I mean, unless you have a small bird, then it makes sense. Okay, after all this painting, this is what you end up with. So now you wait for it to dry, and then you use a chain from probably an old toy and put it together, and then you have a new toy. Okay, so Milo's getting excited about his toy. So this is a chain you use, and you just line it up. Quick link on there, and there you have it. And there you have it, a nice toy, nice new toy for Milo. And in the store, you probably pay at least $20–30 for this, and this probably cost me not even $2 because I had the chain from buying a toy before. Let's see if he likes it.